Shivaji Maharaj was a brave king. He loved his people and his land. He fought for freedom and justice. He is remembered as a great leader. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was one of the greatest kings in Indian history. He was the founder of the Maratha Empire and a brave warrior, wise ruler, and great administrator. Shivaji Maharaj is remembered not only for his courage in battles but also for his justice, respect for women, and love for his people. He lived during a difficult time when India was under foreign rule and people suffered from injustice. Shivaji Maharaj gave hope to the common people and showed that freedom, self-respect, and good governance are possible. He is also known as Hindavi Swarajya, co-founder, which means self-rule of the people. His life inspires millions even today. Shivaji Maharaj proved that true leadership comes from character, discipline, and care for society. Birth and early life. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was born on the 19th of February 1630 at Shivneri Fort, near Pune, in Maharashtra. His father, Shahaji Raje Bhosle, was a brave general who served different rulers in the Deccan region. His mother, Rajmata Jijabai, played a very important role in shaping Shivaji's life. From childhood, Shivaji Maharaj was deeply influenced by his mother. Rajmata Jijabai told him stories from the Ramayana, Mahabharata, and lives of great kings. Through these stories, she taught him values like truth, bravery, justice, and devotion to the nation. She also taught him to respect religion and protect the weak. Shivaji Maharaj received training in sword fighting, horse riding, archery, and military tactics at a young age. He was intelligent, curious, and courageous. Even as a child, he showed leadership qualities and love for his land and people. Inspiration and vision of Swaraj. During Shivaji Maharaj's childhood, India was ruled by powerful empires like the Mughals, Adil Shahi, and Qutb Shahi. The common people suffered from heavy taxes, injustice, and cruelty. Temples were destroyed, farmers were troubled, and women were unsafe. Seeing this suffering, Shivaji Maharaj developed a strong desire to establish Swaraj, a kingdom where people could live with dignity, freedom, and justice. His idea of Swaraj was not just political freedom but also moral and social responsibility. He believed that a king should serve the people, protect religion, and rule with fairness. This vision made him different from many rulers of his time. Early conquests and rise to power. Shivaji Maharaj started his mission of Swaraj at a very young age. At the age of around 16, he captured Torna Fort in 1646. This was his first major success and marked the beginning of the Maratha Empire. After Torna, he captured many important forts like Rajgarh, Kondhna, Sinhgad, Purandar, and Pratapgarh. Forts played a very important role in his military strategy. Shivaji Maharaj understood geography very well and used hills, forests, and narrow paths to his advantage. He built and repaired many forts and used them as centers of administration and defense. His army was disciplined, loyal, and highly motivated. Guerrilla warfare strategy. One of the greatest contributions of Shivaji Maharaj was his guerrilla warfare technique, also known as Ganimikawa. Instead of fighting large armies directly, he used speed, surprise, and smart planning. His soldiers attacked suddenly, caused damage, and disappeared into forests and mountains. This method was very effective against powerful enemies like the Mughals and Adil Shahi armies. Because of this strategy, Shivaji Maharaj defeated much larger and stronger armies with limited resources. His military intelligence made him one of the most successful warriors in Indian history. Conflict with Adil Shahi and Afzal Khan. The growing power of Shivaji Maharaj worried the Adil Shahi Sultan of Bijapur. He sent his powerful general Afzal Khan to defeat Shivaji. Afzal Khan tried to use trickery and invited Shivaji Maharaj for a meeting at Pratapgarh Fort. Shivaji Maharaj knew Afzal Khan's intentions and went fully prepared. During the meeting, Afzal Khan tried to attack Shivaji Maharaj, but Shivaji defended himself and killed Afzal Khan. After this, Shivaji Maharaja's army defeated the Adil Shahi forces in a decisive battle. This event made Shivaji Maharaj famous across India as a fearless and intelligent leader. Shivaji Maharaj and the Mughal Empire. The Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb considered Shivaji Maharaj a serious threat. Many battles were fought between the Marathas and the Mughals. One important event was Shivaji Maharaja's visit to Agra in 1666. Aurangzeb arrested him, but Shivaji Maharaj escaped cleverly by hiding in large baskets of sweets. This escape is considered one of the most brilliant acts in history. After returning to the Deccan, Shivaji Maharaj rebuilt his army and regained lost territories. He continued to challenge Mughal authority with courage and determination. Coronation as Chhatrapati. In 1674, Shivaji Maharaj was crowned as Chhatrapati at Raigad Fort. This coronation was very important because it officially established the Maratha Empire. During the ceremony, Shivaji Maharaj took an oath to rule with justice and protect his people. He became a symbol of self-rule and national pride. After coronation, he organized his administration more effectively and expanded his kingdom further. Administration and governance. Shivaji Maharaj was not only a warrior but also a great administrator. His governance system was efficient and people-friendly. He formed a council of ministers called Ashtapradhan Mandal, which included Peshwa, Prime Minister, Amartya, Finance, Sachiv, Secretary, Senapati, Army Chief, Sumant, Foreign Affairs, Nyayadhish, Justice, Pandit Rao, Religious Matters. He ensured proper tax collection and protected farmers from exploitation. Taxes were fair, and corruption was strictly punished. Respect for women and religion. Shivaji Maharaj had great respect for women. He gave strict orders that women should not be harmed during wars. If enemy women were captured, they were treated with respect and safely returned. He respected all religions and never forced anyone to change their faith. He protected temples, mosques, and holy places. His rule was based on tolerance and harmony. Naval power and coastal defense. Shivaji Maharaj was one of the first Indian rulers to understand the importance of a strong navy. He built a powerful naval force to protect the western coast from foreign invaders like the Portuguese and Siddhis. He built naval forts like Sindhudurg, Vijayadurga, and Kolaba. His navy helped secure trade routes and protect coastal regions. Character and personality. Shivaji Maharaj was simple in lifestyle but strong in principles. He wore simple clothes, respected elders, and listened to his advisors. He was disciplined, hardworking, and deeply spiritual. He believed that power should be used for the welfare of society, not personal gain. Death and legacy. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj passed away on the 3rd of April 1680 at Raigad Fort. Though his life was short, his impact was enormous. After his death, the Maratha Empire continued to grow and later became a major power in India. Shivaji Maharaja's ideas of freedom, justice, and good governance continue to inspire people. Conclusion. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was a true national hero. He was a brave warrior, wise king, skilled administrator, and kind human being. His life teaches us the values of courage, honesty, respect, and leadership. He proved that with determination, intelligence, and moral strength, even a small force can defeat powerful enemies. Shivaji Maharaj is not just a historical figure but a source of inspiration for all generations. Even today, his name fills hearts with pride and respect. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj will always be remembered as the great founder of Swaraj and a symbol of Indian valor and self-respect.